How to remove fake followers on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now on the profile page, simply tap on followers. Now under categories, simply tap on people you don't follow back. Now on this page you can find all of the people you don't follow back. Unfortunately, on Instagram, there is no possible way to find fake followers. You need to manually visit their IDs and check if they are fake or not. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on remove follower if you want to remove them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.